there were 5 battery packs powering this mower. They've been removed, and we're now going to take a look at the area inside the mower where the battery box has to go. So I'm going to take the 15 by 15 by 8 inch mock-up, and you can see that it fits. It'll just drop in and out so it can be removed for the winter. It can slide a little bit back and forth. You know, it's not real tight, but it'll be fine. And if I can get a battery box made in this size with enough amp hours, I think I'll be in good shape. And this is a 48 volt battery pack.